Okay, we're going to talk about the Section 11 dosage error calculation assignment. And so when you load up the document, they give you a scenario about a hospital who had a bunch of patients with a pneumonia outbreak. And then it says that it was widespread, affecting men, women, and children. Unfortunately, there were some major complications that developed in these patients, and some were in critical condition. Okay, so all these patients come in with pneumonia. They're given different dosages of this drug, and we want to see what's going on. All right, so they each receive the same medication. It's the flacker, and it's 20 milligrams per kilograms per day. And that's how much is not to exceed the recommended dosage in a 24-hour period. So 20 milligrams per kilogram per day is the dosage for that. And your job is, as an outside evaluator, determine if this data is correct and report your findings to me by the end of the day given. So here's the idea. You're looking at the dosages and you're kind of analyzing it to see were they given the right amount, and what do you think the reason is that these people are getting sick or staying sick, not getting better. Okay, so basically what we're doing is we need to figure out how much drug they should get. So we first need to figure out what the weight of each patient is in kilograms, because right now it's given to you in pounds, and that's not going to do us a whole lot of good. Once you know the weight in kilograms, then you can use that to determine what the recommended dosage is. And then once you know the dosage, you can start to discuss, are there any discrepancies in what they should have gotten versus what they actually got. Because what they actually got, the actual dosages, those are up here. You're going to calculate what the recommended dosage, what they should have got was. And then you're going to use this data to argue whether you believe that these complications were caused by the hospital negligence or by a faulty drug. So one thing I want you to do is you're going to make a chart in Excel with all this information on it. And then I want you to cut and paste that chart down here. So let me kind of show you what I want you to do with that. So I've made a chart right here. And it's very basic. You have name, gender, weight, and recommended dosage. So if I just look at the first person on here, person A is a male, and they weigh 182 pounds. So their name is A, gender male, the weight 182 pounds. It's going to equal 182 if I want it in kilograms. So I got to multiply that by where'd you go? 0.4536. And that's the weight in kilograms. Now to figure out the dosage is 30 milligrams per kilogram per day. So it's going to equal 30 milligrams times the number of kilograms. Well, that's the number of kilograms. So 30 milligrams per kilogram. And there you go. So you have that much drug per day. All right, so you just want to do that for each of these. When that's completed, you're going to highlight the table, right click on it, and just cut it out of there. And paste it right there. Okay, and that is so much easier than trying to make a table in Word. Making tables in Word is very bad. So make it in Excel, cut and paste it over, and fill in these blanks with the data that you got, and answer these two questions, and you should be good to go. So enjoy this assignment.